Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Andi Nur Aulia, and the reason I made this video is I want to tell you about my opinion in understanding semantics part 2. Okay, the first is about the meaning relationships exist among words. That yes, I agree, because in lexical semantic we have learned about the some ways that view how the meaning from one word can be related to other. For example, happy and joyful. They have different in spelling, but they have same meaning and same part of speech. So the second is sentential semantics. Sentential semantics is study about the meaning from the words from the larger units from words that phrases or clauses or sentences and the relationships of the meaning from one sentence to other sentence. So there is 4 types about relationships from the meaning from one words to other words. The first is presuppositions. So the second is entitlement. So the third is paraphrases, and the last is contradiction. For example, I have 2 sentences. The first, I say Ali washed the car. So the second sentence, I say the car is washed by Ali. Both have different in syntactical structure, but they have identical meaning. So this how the paraphrases occurs. And the third question is about interpretation of word, phrases, or sentence. Interpretation is refers to the act, how the action explaining about the meaning from particular word or sentence. But not all the time that we can that easy to understand the sentence. Sometimes we need an effort to explain how about the meaning from the sentence. For the example that I say close the door. So the act that the listeners go to close the door, that we say interpretation from the word, phrases, or sentence. So the fourth about ambiguity. Ambiguity is refers to situation that when phrases or sentence can be interpreted more than one way. So ambiguity categorized into two types. The first is lexical ambiguity, and the second is sentential ambiguity. So lexical ambiguity is occurs because we use the words that have one or more possible meaning. For the example, bank. Bank is have 2 meaning. The first is the edge from the river of the river. So the second is about financial institution. So for the example from ambiguity, that I have a sentence that I say Adam hit the thief with backpack. So the first interpreted is Adam hit the thief by using backpack. So the second interpretation is Adam hit the thief who had a backpack. So the last is speech act. Speech act is expression from the speaker to express about the function or action, not only about the information. So according to Austin, that all utterances perform action have three kinds. The first is locutionary act. So the second is illocutionary act, and the last is perlocutionary act. Okay, for the example that I say, close, the door is open. So the locutionary act that I have to inform about the situation from the door. So the illocutionary act that I have to order the listeners that to close the door, and the act of from listeners from my what I say that known as perlocutionary act. Okay, maybe that from me. Thanks. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.